Hello, welcome to this episode of Casa De Compai's video blog. Here I'm going to talk about pool maintenance. As you can see, I'm standing in my pool with very little water in it. I painted the pool 4 years ago, maybe 4.5, so now it's time to redo that. As you can see back here, I have a little hole in the wall. What that does, that allows water to get in. So what we're doing, we're going to drain the pool, and then we're going to come back in tomorrow after it's all dry, and we're going to look for soft spots. And then we're going to chip out them soft spots and replace the concrete. The big thing is all these areas down here, like the stairs, the high wear marks, they get all tore up. The big thing is preparation. You know, when you're doing a pool, you want to get all the areas that are chipped up here. And as you can see, this, you want to get all that filled in. You want to scrape, get up all the loose paint. The big thing about the pool is the proper paint. And here are some parts that really need some attention is these soft spots here in the stairs, and where you got these corners, they just get beat up, and you can see water's perking into the concrete. And make sure that's not loose, which is good. You know, we can fix that up. Down here is the same thing. You can see where I fixed this, because my good friend Luke, Superior Dive, I had one of his, he was in here doing classes, so I just grabbed some concrete and the equipment, came down here and just filled these in. But they didn't, you know, it was a good short-term fix, but not permanent. Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll chip all this up, give this a good edge, and as you can see right here, there's another spot that needs to be fixed. You can see where I did the fill. I filled it in underwater, because concrete will kick underwater. It's a chemical reaction. It doesn't need air and sun. Actually, the longer it takes concrete to cure, the stronger it'll be. So how do you take care of a pool? The first thing you do is obviously drain the water, so you can get in here and have a good look. It's obvious to see the parts that need to be painted. They're usually the high tread marks. The stairs usually get beat up. But what you want to do is actually inspect your walls, because what you can see right here, that's a soft spot. Water getting underneath the paint, loosening up the concrete and actually perking through the concrete. And what that'll do, if it gets bad enough, it'll actually cause erosion on the back side of this wall here. And what that'll do, then you'll have a soft spot, so your patio will actually cave in on you. So then you got to backfill that. So there's a lot of maintenance that goes into doing this, other than just repainting it.